Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to discuss the importance of management. So let's start our topic. We all know that management is universal activity and it is integral part of any organization. So with the help of different points we will try to understand its importance, and this topic is very easy, so I will give you to the point explanation and you can add many more things afterwards on the basis of that explanation in your answer. Let's see the first point. First point is management helps in achieving group goals. We know that the objective of management is to achieve goals of organization. Management is not working for themselves, but management is working for the organization. And what is the task of manager here in the organization? The task of manager is to give direction to individual efforts in achieving the overall goals of the organization. So like this way management is helping in achieving group goals. Next is management increases efficiency. We know that efficiency means completing the task at lower cost or completing the task by using less resources, and so this way it is increasing the productivity of the organization, and this is possible only by the better planning, better organizing, better directing, better staffing and better controlling, and these all are the functions of management. So with the help of management only the efficiency is increasing in the organization, and like this way management increases the efficiency of organization. Next is management creates a dynamic organization. We know that every organization is functioning in an environment which is constantly changing. Not only changing, but it is also not in control of management, and generally tendency of people is what they don't like to change. Why? Because they don't want to move from familiar and secure environment to newer and challenging environment. But here management, what management is doing, management is helping or convincing people to adopt this change so that organization is able to maintain its competitive spirit successfully, and the organization can compete with other competitors also. Why? Because the management is creating such an organization which is changing according to need or according to the change in environment. So like this way management is creating a dynamic organization which is changing according to need. Next is management helps in achieving personal objectives. We know that a manager is leader, motivator and guide of organization. So here he is giving direction in such a way so that the individual members can achieve their personal goals while working for the organizational goals, and it is possible only through motivation, leadership and guidance. So here management is developing team spirit, cooperation and commitment of individuals for the achievement of not only their personal goal but also for the achievement of group goals or organizational goals. And the last one is management helps in development of society. We have seen an organization has multiple objectives because organization is made up of different group of peoples, and in the process of achieving different objectives management is helping in development of organization. By that it helps the development of society also. Management helps in providing quality products and services. They are creating employment opportunities, and they are adopting newer technology for the betterment of people, and these things are making the path of growth and development easy. So ultimately with the development of organization society is also developing, and this way management helps in development of society. Now let's repeat all points and also learn how to remember these points easily. First was management helps in achieving group goals. Management increases efficiency. Management creates a dynamic organization. Management helps in achieving personal objectives. Management helps in the development of society. So all these points you can easily remember with the help of one word is there, that is GDP say. So here GDP say you have to remember, because through the management, through the better management only, it's not only developing the organization, but it is also developing the country. So it is increasing the GDP. So like this way you can connect this. So GDP say, what is meaning of G means achieving group goals, helping in achieving group goals. D means creating a dynamic organization. P means helping in achieving personal objectives. S means helping in development of society. And E means it increases the management, increases the efficiency. So I hope you like this idea, and it will be helpful for you to remember all these points. So my explanation is over here. Thank you very much.